Hello, class. I was able to go through, and I just wanted to come back on for about 5 more minutes and talk to you real quick. I was able to go through, and you guys have already sent me your answers to your questions about which software that you want to use. And so most of you have selected to use Canva, and I'm excited about that. And a couple of you asked, could I go through and show you maybe what flyers look like? Because I did get to do business cards, but we were running out of time. So I'm just going to go through and see real quick if I can show you about flyers real quick. So it depends on what kind of flyer. So here's what you can do, guys. You can go through and you can actually type in what it is that you're looking for. And so you see it comes up with different types of flyers. They have so many different templates, guys. They have Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Facebook covers, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails. So YouTube thumbnails comes into play if you're doing a video and you just want to put a thumbnail up to show your video, that shows your video. Um, but let's see. We're gonna go through and I'm just gonna show you guys some of the things that I've created before. So um, let's see. So this is a fun one that I do with my clients. And just talking about in January, we were talking about getting rid of junk and different things like this. So this was a little motivational flyer that I did for them. Um, Let's see, let's go back to home. Let's go and real quick, I will try to create a flyer for you guys so you guys can just kind of see what you're going to be working with. And remember what we talked about in the PowerPoint. Okay, let's go back to this PowerPoint real quick. Remember what we talked about. That what? Consistency, okay? Remember that colors and schemes need to be consistent, okay? That's what one of the questions that you guys sent was when doing your flyers and doing whatever, can you do different colors? Yes, you can, but you want to try to keep them consistent with whatever your logo is, okay? Let's remember that. And remember that you're really trying to advertise. Remember what you're supposed to have on there. You're supposed to have on phone numbers, email addresses, fax numbers, addresses, whatever it is you need to have. Or if you're doing a brochure, you can go into further detail of what it is that your business offers, okay? Newsletters, remember, newsletters are monthly, quarterly, or weekly, okay? But I really want you guys to focus on doing either a flyer or a business card for one of your classmates. Because remember, you guys are the graphic designers. You guys are going to create it, and they are going to tell you how you've done. Okay, they're going to tell you, I like it, I don't like it. Okay, so here's a flyer. If someone is does something with design and clothes or whatever, here you go. You can take these pictures out and you can add other photos in there instead of the photo that's in there. So let's see. I'll add this picture in, okay? And I'll just drop it in right here, okay? So that's my picture. I can change my font as well, and you can add font, okay? See text right here. So let's say I don't want that font, and I don't want this. All right, I'm going to delete that element. I want this font, okay? So I can put it here, and I can change it how I want it to look, how big, okay? And I can take that there. Okay. So just remember, go in and go ahead and create your business card. Play around with this a little bit, guys. I want you to go ahead and play around. Have some fun. Do some creative things. Show your family what you're doing. And just be creative with what you're doing. Okay. Now, what happens is once you finish this, you go here to the arrow, download. And I suggest you downloading the PNG, which is the high quality image. Okay, sometimes it'll say something about paying for it and sometimes it won't. But right here it says download a free watermark draft. So you're going to download whatever it is that you have created, your business card or your flyer. Okay, you'll come over and you guys know how to save. You guys know how to do all that. Come over, save it on your desktop, save it in your documents, wherever you're going to save it, and then it will be yours. Okay. So don't forget, if you guys have any questions, you are more than welcome to hit me up, email me, um, and let me know any questions that you have on this lesson that we talked about graphic design. And go ahead and start on those business cards so you can get ready to get hired by one of your classmates, okay? So I will see you guys tomorrow.